Question here. We have got mark R the subject of the formula. So what we're going to do here, we're going to separate this R from everything else to find what R equals to. We're going to make a subject of the formula, and then we are going to simplify it to see what R equals to. So let's rewrite it again. So we have P plus 5 equals to 1 minus 2R divided by R. Let's bring this R on the left hand side and multiply. So we're going to get R into P plus 5 equals to 1 minus 2R. Okay, let's multiply R with both of these. So we're going to multiply R P plus 5R equals to 1 minus 2R. Okay, let's bring all of the R's on the one side and let's simplify it even further. So we've got PR plus 5R and bring this 2R on the left hand side minus plus 2R equals to 1. Let's take R as a common from everything else. We're going to get P plus 5 plus 2 is 7, and that equals to 1. And R equals to. Now we can simply bring P plus 7 on the other side and divide it by 1. So R is going to be equal to 1 over P plus 7.